If you are a ambitious man, then if you love to face the struggles in life, then you you could win in every possible opportunities. Because apparently, guys, from the word ambitious, it is an extraordinary output that deals with your personality. Even you, you experience depression or a failure in life, then if you have a strong mindset, you are ambitious. I'm not totally saying that you are ambitious because of the properties or the physical attributes of your life. What I'm trying to say is that be ambitious of the knowledge, because that knowledge will help you to improve your life and to upgrade the things that you don't understand what is really happen to your life.